subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Don't forget to like us on Facebook. Flax seeds are tiny brown seeds that have a nutty flavor. They are obtained from the flax plant. Flax seeds are beneficial for the health and growth of our hair. Just consume 1 spoon of grounded flax seeds daily. But remember, consume grounded flax seed, not the whole seeds, as they pass through your digestive system without being digested. Let us see how to consume flax seeds. Take about a spoon of flax seeds, and roast them for 5 minutes. After that, grind them to a fine powder. You can eat 1 spoon of flaxseed powder directly, without adding anything during breakfast time. Or you can add 1 spoon of grounded flaxseed with 1 tablespoon of yogurt and have it. Another way to consume flaxseed is adding a spoon of flaxseed powder to a glass of water and have it. You can also add 1 spoon of flax seeds to your favorite smoothie and have it. You can consume 1 spoon of grounded flax seed daily by using any of this method. They are a good source of fiber. Flax seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which help you avoid a dry scalp and nourish your hair. It also increases the hair elasticity, leads to less breakage. They are a great source of vitamin E, the best vitamin you could use for hair growth, because of its strong antioxidant properties, which prevent hair and scalp damage, boosts blood circulation, and is also helpful when it comes to preventing premature graying. Consuming flax seeds can greatly benefit you in terms of hair growth, as they are a great source of both soluble and insoluble fibers. Prevents issues like acute hair loss and dandruff. It helps controlling issues like hair breakage, hair fall, and hair loss. They nourish the follicles and hair shafts, making them stronger and less prone to damage. This also ensures that the new growth is strong and healthy. They help improve hair elasticity. You can speed up the process and ensure that your hair grows out healthy with this simple ingredient. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.